They when they unfreeze my account, I'm coming back on your live and I'm gonna keep on sending gifts, pun gift, pun gift, pun gift. I saw my blood clot feel.
Box cover Dutty Berry here. Yes, I am back and welcome to a brand new countdown quickie where I give you a trending topic in a jiffy. And today I'm talking about celebrities joining the local content creators TikTok lives. Yeah man, so we're gonna talk about Nicki Minaj, Queen of Rap, joining Brittany Goff's TikTok live, as well as JT of the City Girls joining Tuffy's live for a match. Okay, so let's jump right into it. Alright, burritos know, so I do not know what is in the air, but the celebrities, they are supporting the local, the Jamaican TikTok creators, the influencers. Yes man, over there. So Brittany Goff, who don't know, she is just such a dynamic personality. Love her or hate her, Brittany Goff is going to have a viral moment. Like once she's on live, you just know that there's going to be a trending sound because she said something wild, ridiculous and crazy. The girl is just constantly trending, and it seems as if people cannot figure out if she's just authentic, if this is a character, if this is just a part of her innate vibration. We don't know, and I think that is a part of what makes her such a identifiable and alluring personality online. And so it seems as if all of this energy grabbed the Queen of Rap, Nicki Minaj's attention, because she recently popped up on Britney's live.
Hello, hi Nicki Minaj.
Hi boo, how are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
No, I was. How much did I send you earlier today? I don't know what. How much does that equal? What I sent you today, not yesterday.
I don't know, but it's fine. You didn't have to do so much. It's fine.
But what thing did I send you? What gift was that? What is it?
I don't remember what it was, but it was like a nice gift.
So what's the highest gift on here?
Like what?
Adam's dream. Oh, the whale. Which one is the highest thing, y'all? TikTok. Oh, so what I was telling you was, I think they thought that there was somebody playing on my account. So when I sent you the first gift today, they froze my account.
Wow, I'm sorry to
Okay,
hear that.
they said TikTok Universe and Lion and Zeus. So now when I try to send something else, it's a pop-up that says they just, that they like detected fraud on my account. So they're thinking that I guess it's somebody playing on my account because I'm No, at TikTok, this is the real me. Oh, nah, fuck up now, Y'all get me cross, blood cleat TikTok, Yeah, so it go. But so that's what I'm waiting on.
No man. All of this is just so fascinating. But my thing is that why Nicki Minaj can never be over Territory Live? She never over the Lisa Anna's them. She not like the little demure, quiet, decent type of personality. Nicki Minaj is a low-key Ray. She love the little excitement and the little Ray war lad. She love the all of them little something. My blood. Like she loved all of that. Like I just think Nicki Minaj just love outrageous personalities. Nicki Minaj have an inner skettle. I think most people, no matter how them go and stush, Nicki Minaj idea of Jamaica, she love the bad boy, the little rude boy Jamaica, like walk and live, talk and yeah man. I feel like Nicki Minaj's understanding of Jamaica was based off the time when she watched Dancehall Queen movie. That is the type of Jamaicans. You will never see Nicki Minaj follow a little stush personality. Nicki love the one them where y'all throw acid, they run up and down, a fight, a cuss. Nicki love the Ray. Cause Nicki is really, I feel like at heart, she's a ghetto girl. Nicki would walk with her like ice pick in her pocket with a pot up on her chest, with her little slippers and walk and shop every little minute, up and down on the road, up on a bike back. That is the type of energy when Nicki Minaj love. Like Nicki no want to see the other type of Jamaica. She don't want to Marcia Griffith. The candy wow them, yeah man. The tone of matter around them, yeah man. That is the type of Jamaicans that attracts Nicki Minaj, and she's been very consistent with it. And I think Britney is just embodiment of that. And so like I just love this Britney. My love, so Nicki Minaj is supporting the girl, and the fact that this is the first time that Nicki went on live, it was with a Jamaican content creator. Like right about now, like come on, Nicki Minaj, you are Jamaican, and we love that for you. We love that for you. At this point, you might just come to Jamaica for the Chris Brown concert and done. Come on Jamaica for the Chris Brown concert and done. Like when is Nicki Minaj going to get her key to the city? With Bashel Montana, because at this point, yeah, rep Jamaica more than yeah, rep Trinidad, and we are here for it. But moving things over now, so Tavii done. We don't know Kyng Tavii now, the social media personality, one of the baddest content creators and most consistent content creators out there. He's transferred his platform from YouTube, gone over TikTok now, and he's making his wave over there. And he recently went on a TikTok match with City Girls rapper JT, and this is a bit of how it went.
Tavii Don battles City Girl JT and dances for her.
JT, why y'all do me like that? I'm representing for you in Jamaica though. Why you doing that? You know, hear it? You hear it? See me I tell you? Bitch!
Don't win that.
Bitch! You see, that's my son. This is my shit right here. Girl, when I get this club, this is my shit.
You know who I am. Don't whip a credit card and pull a scam. I'm pretty like a trend. Young chin in the chin, shell 50 blows up.
Yeah man, round of applause. Definitely love this for Tavii. The fact that he was able to hold her attention, make her smile, and you know, just be himself and them hold a vibe there. Like I'm just hoping that this continues and that we'll see more international celebrities sharing space with our local content creators, influencers on TikTok platform, because I don't think any other platform creates a space where you can have people at different levels having a seat at the same table, and so the platform has to be commended for that. And also, I forgot to close out with this now. When here's a Jamaican at the Grand Gala that Jamaica is ready to be independent. Now Jamaica is ready to be a Gaza Slim independent, ladies, and all of that. Because in the middle of the drone show, they did make this post signaling to the entire country that it is now time for Jamaica to be truly independent and become a proper republic. And so I'd love to hear from you, Burritos, your thoughts on this signaling. That is it enough for this edition of the Countdown Quickie, where I give you a trending topic in a jiffy. So make sure you go and like, comment, share, and all of these things, and sound off on all of the topics them why if you talk about Nicki Minaj joining Britney's live, as well as Tavii and JT playing a match, as well as your thoughts on Jamaica becoming a republic. Okay, Burritos, take care. Later.